Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set budget alerts in Spendee. All right, so first up, you need to create a budget. Okay, just tap on budget right here, tap on it once more, and just tap on create a new budget. Okay, tap on it. Now, what we'll do in here is just go ahead and give it a name, amount, select the wallet, and select what this budget is for. The recurrence here as well, and also the start date. Okay. And once that's all done, just tap on Save Changes right here, and it will be listed, okay? So what you'll do, okay, or most importantly, what you'll do is make sure that you enable the notifications for your device, okay? So let's say, for example, you have an Android device. What you'll do is just go ahead and find the Spendee app icon right here, tap and hold onto it, tap on the information icon. Now go ahead and go to notifications and make sure that this one is enabled. All right. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Spendee right here will just automatically send you a notification in case you spent around 75 to 90% of your budget. You will be able to see a notification via pop-up or under here under your activity. Okay. And there you have it. That is how you set budget alerts in Spendee. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.